Somebody call already 911?
Yeah, the lady's already calling her, bro. Use your phone, brother. Use your phone. Ven, ven.
God damn it, dude.
You alright, bud?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You alright?
Yeah. Oh, I'm just in pain. But that's the good.
Don't touch your face. Oh, okay, you have something.
No, he's alright. He's alright. As long as he's moving around.
No, yeah, I'm good.
No, he didn't live too bad, bro. I saw everything. She was turning fucking slow. He wasn't able to make it on time to switch to the other lane. Boom.
Alright. Well, you got help coming, buddy.
You okay, brother?
Which part of your leg?
It's his right leg.
Which, like your thigh or?
Can't move your leg, bro?
I'm gonna loosen your shoe.
No, mamá, no.
I'm gonna loosen your shoe. Does that feel a little better?
You're the driver, you alright?
He hit the back of my car. When I was turning in, he didn't. He just slammed it.
Body cam on. I'm not a cop by any, but just be careful what you say, because anything you say will be used against you. And that's the whole reason why I stopped. Actually, I was getting off of work, and I'm like, oh, cops are gonna show up. Okay, no, I know, but 50% of the time they start drilling the drivers, thinking that, you know what I mean? Yeah, I just want to make sure your rights are not violated, and I just want to make sure everyone's okay.
No, and I have a witness. He said you were turning maybe too slow. How was too slow? He has to. I didn't do it. I turned because there was nobody there.
So far, he's good. He's good. He'll be all right. I've been in 2 of them myself, motorcycle wrecks.
I was just like, what just happened? Because there was nobody there, and they said he just got the bike. Because it was super.
Probably still learning how to drive. That's one thing you want to know. I mean, you have obviously you're legit, right? Insurance, driver license. That's one thing you want to know. If you ask the officer for a crash report, that's one thing you want to know if he has a motorcycle driver license. I mean,
You guys are driving this car?
Yes, I was.
My partner already got your info?
No, he didn't.
Okay, I'll get it for you. License. What happened?
I was turning in. I had my blink off. There was nobody here. When I went to turn, he just came into the car. My backside. Yeah, I have my transport on my phone.
oh wow.
How far are you going to get home?
I don't know if but it's
I mean, we can always just rip off the bumper backside. If you're good with driving, otherwise we can tell you about the
yeah, if I need a tow truck, I have a tow truck.
Well, we have to, if we're going to tow it, we have to tow it. Because it happened on City Street. Yeah. Those tow trucks that we can't wait around for.
Oh no, it's my brother.
Yeah, but we still have to, it's a city thing.
I'm gonna have to see if I can order it. I don't even know.
Yeah, if you're not comfortable, I didn't even see that. Yeah, your rim's gonna be dented. It would probably just be safer to get a tow truck. Let me talk to my partner and see what he says, okay?
You know you can get your own tow guy, right?
Yeah. Well, I'm my brother. He's a tow.
That's good. That's good. I thought you
I
said.
can move it out of the way.
Yeah.
I
I would get it on private property. Get it on private property and have your brother
He
tow.
said, yeah, since you're already up on the private property, then if you want to get your brother to tow it, then that's fine. All I ask is if you can at least pull it right here. Right after we're good, we pull it right there, and then that says you can take, your brother can take it, okay? Give me a second, I'll put your info on the key card, and then I'll get you a case number, okay? I'm not sure. or my partners will talk to him. Any of his information though will be on the case.
Even if it's not on private property, you still have every right to pull it into private property and get it towed by whoever. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm Mark, by the way.
Hi, I'm Lynette.
I'm Mark. I have a YouTube channel, SA210 Cop Watch. I'm always filming the cops. I want to make sure they're doing the right
driving
thing.
this vehicle?
I was.
Are you okay?
Yes.
You're fine? You're by yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good. PD will get the information from you and we're going to check him out. He's got some minor stuff, so it's nothing really big. If it gets too cold, you can see it in your car.
Okay.
Thanks, man.
You're welcome. I believe I'm out here too.
Okay. Let me just make sure everything's good with my partner.
He's good. I
but
checked.
this is gonna be
That's the
my
first
name
person I
at the
checked
top,
on.
And then his name and his badge. Okay.
He's going to be okay?
Information?
I'm sorry. Everything's going to be attached to this number right here. So all you gotta do is give your insurance that number, and they will put up all our notes and everything that we have to say about everything that happened. Okay. Give me a second though. I think so. I'm not 100% sure. I didn't go check on it. My partner did.
But he's alert, right?
Yeah.
You checking him out?
Yeah.
Doing good?
I don't know.
Hopefully.
Yeah,
Hopefully.
He just needs a couple of sleep.
Yeah, that's all they said. They needed transportation.
Most important thing, he's alive. I've been to 2 of these myself.
So much for my mom's birthday, huh?
Oh no, that's terrible.
Just came from dinner. Really?
And we got Officer Salinas on site.
How could she not see?
Light ass
This is
headlights.
exactly why he put this on here.
It's a nice bike, man.
He wrecked his Subaru, so he got this. Everybody told him not to, but he got it, you know, badass. He kept it, he liked it. He kept his own thing safe as possible.
Yeah, that's terrible, man. It's a nice bike, though.
Oh, it's yellow.
Yeah, it's the original.
Go ahead. That's my mom.
Well, that's the main thing, man. Having a helmet. I was stupid. I wasn't wearing a helmet half of the time.
I know, I keep telling him too about the fucking helmet.
It's like hardly any scratches.
Need a license.
Unless you have a license.
Oh, yeah.
Hold on.
Yeah, apparently it's legal.
She's smiling.
Ugh. Fucking freezing.
Hello.
They're coming right now. Just give me a second. He's fine.
He's cold. Alright, bud? Glad you're alive, bro.
Thank you. Me too.
Hey, be safe, man. Be safe.